Okay, dear viewers, today we are going to discuss about very important, point. There is about the neutron and proton, or we call the fundamental particles or the elementary particles. As you all have well knowledge that what are fundamental particles and what are elementary particles. Okay, so if we talk about fundamental particles, we are discussing. About protons, neutrons, or etc. or electrons. Okay, but if we talk about elementary particles, just we have within the fundamental particles, electron is considered as the elementary particle among them. Okay, and if we talk about quarks, quarks are also considered as the elementary particle among with along with the electrons. Why that are elementary, why we are studying about fundamental particles, why we are studying about elementary particles. Okay, or why we are telling that the neutron is neutral, or the proton has positive charge or plus one charge, etc. Why is it? Okay, as we are well aware about that, if we talk about the neutrons. Okay, so neutron is fundamental particle and also proton is also a fundamental particle. Okay, so neutron being a fundamental is made up of three quarks. Okay, quark is some of an elementary particle. So quarks are the elementary particles. These are subatomic particles. Okay, neutron being a fundamental particle or being a neutral charge, it came into being with the help of three fundamental elementary quarks. It is made up of two down quark and one up quark, neutrons. And we have for down quark we have the charge of about minus 1 by 3, and for up quark we are having plus 2 by 3. Okay, and if we are adding plus 1 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3. Okay, and at last we are getting 0. So that's why neutron is considered as a neutral particle among all. And if we talk about proton, okay, proton is also considered as a fundamental particle, and is uh, of you know uh, made up of three quarks. One is down quark and two of them are up quarks, and we know that up quark has plus 2 by 3 charge and down quarks are of minus 1 by 3 charge. Okay, if we are adding these quarks, finally we are getting plus 1. So that's why protons have plus 1 charge and neutron being a fundamental particle is considered as a neutral. So that's why neutron is neutral and protons are having plus charge.